Alright, it's gonna be the start of the vlog. I don't really know how much I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm going to Sunny Acres Farm and Santa's Village AZoosment Park. The very first time for both. But there's only gonna be 3 credits. So we'll see how it goes, see what I like, what I don't like, and where it ranks and whatnot. Alright, so I'm headed out of Santa's Village. I spent maybe 90 minutes there or so. It's a fun little park. Very family oriented, which is pretty nice. I rather liked it. I liked it. I can even meet Santa if you want.
Santa! Oh my God!
So, yeah. On Sunny Acres Farm, get the wacky worm there, and I'm definitely going back. And since it's not too far away, I'm going to do my favorite wisdom ride, favorite kitty ride, Tiger Tear. I gotta do it. It's not too far away, so I have to. Alright, so I'm at Sunny Acres Farm. Just to do this. And get lunch, get out, and head to my favorite wisdom kitty ride of all time, Tiger Tear. Alright, so I just did the Sunny Acres credit, the blue and orange wacky worm. So now I'm heading to do my favorite kitty coaster because it's only a couple miles away. But before that, I'm probably going to get lunch and some gas because my car is pretty low on it. And tomorrow, I'll head up to Mount Olympus, got Hades, which I've been really looking forward to for years. Alright, so just did Tiger Tear a couple times at Safariland. Now I'm heading home, and tomorrow I'll be going to Mount Olympus, and I'll try to vlog there more. So while this is the end of day 1, day 2 will start shortly. I suppose that was as good a time as any is to start the vlog. I'm in a gas station just across the border in Wisconsin, so I've been driving for an hour 45 minutes or so. Because I forgot to start the vlog. I'm going to Mount Olympus in Wisconsin Dells today. Gonna ride Hades for the first time and the other coasters. I know one of them is down. I'll probably put right around here which one it is, because I forget. I'm looking forward to it. My hair is kind of a little bit rougher, but I don't mind rough coasters that much unless it's really unbearable, like Racer was before the retrack, which I haven't ridden it since the retrack. But next thing you'll see me, I'll probably be at the park or in the parking lot. So, because I'm a fan of grunge, I decided to take a quick little 15-minute detour to the old Smart Studios. It was owned by Butch Vig, who produced a couple of Nirvana albums and Smashing Pumpkins albums, and he's also in the band himself. Probably most known for their James Bond theme, World's Not Enough. So I came here, and stroke of luck is Cyclops is open. So I wasn't planning on it being open, but credit's a credit.
Hopefully it's good.
I'm here with Airtime Productions.
It got retracked, so it should be a lot better.
Yeah.
Are you guys YouTubers?
Yeah. So I just got a Cyclops, and that drop is crazy. It had so much room. I could literally stand up by restrain myself from standing. Alright, so I'm at the park. So I'm in the parking lot actually. I'm about to leave. I'm getting pictures and video. Getting pictures and video for the gram and the YouTube. Probably gonna head out soon. Got all the credits. I'll probably be back later, but Hades isn't the smoothest and it's not the roughest I've been on. It's towards the rougher end. I know it's unpopular, but this year it's running a little rough for some reason. Zeus is really smooth. Cyclops is also very smooth, especially in the retract. I just think Hades needs a bit of a retract. It'll be perfect. It'll be top 10 easy, but now it's top 20, top 15. You'll see more when I release my video at the end of the year. I'm thinking of going to Bay Beach, so I'm probably gonna do that. Head out shortly and get the zip and Pittman and try the Magic Seat. First car, row 3.